Are you tired of the taste of cheap, inexpensive wine? High-priced wine tastes better, but it's just too expensive. Well, how would you like to take a $5 bottle of wine and transform it so that it tastes like a $30 bottle? Sounds too good to be true. It isn't. Try real water concentrate. Just a few squirts and your wine will taste amazing. The secret to this amazing transformation is a proprietary E2 technology. By adding billions of free antioxidant electrons, the E2 technology neutralizes bitter acidic molecules and releases the trapped natural flavonoids in the wine. The result is a better tasting wine with an amazing bouquet. One bottle can transform approximately 60 glasses of wine from bitter to fantastic.
Wow. This wine tastes great. What brand is it?
We are so confident you will love the real water concentrate.